Hi everybody and welcome to This Farm is a Mess. My name is Julia. We are super excited to have you here. I kind of just wanted to do a little bit of an update today on some things that have been going on around here. So unfortunately this past week we have had a hen fall sick. We noticed her walking pretty strangely and kind of like that penguin walk, or lack thereof. She kind of was just sitting like a penguin and not really moving around too much. So we immediately brought her inside and did some research. Kind of all the symptoms were pointing toward egg bound. So we treated her for that as best as we knew how to. She got lots of Epsom salt baths and we did look for the egg, and we gave her vitamins, and we did all sorts of things that we thought may help her. And after about day 5, we realized that it was time that we needed to take care of her. She was just suffering at that point, and don't know if it was cancer or tumor or what, but she is no longer with us. We kind of got to doing some chicken math.
Wait, did she just say chicken math? Let me explain. When you first start keeping chickens, it seems very simple. You get X amount of chickens and that equals Y amount of eggs. However, as we've gone on, we found out that it's actually quite a bit more complicated. There's roosters, there's mortality. Sometimes a chicken doesn't want to lay an egg. Some chickens lay eggs better than others. Sometimes you go in the store thinking you're going to get 3 chickens and you walk out with 8, There's a lot of different factors here.
And realized that we were out a lot of hens that we thought we would have by now, so something that we did do was go to Rural King and pick up a few more. We haven't had a ton of luck with Rural King chicks in the past, but we decided to just go ahead and try again because we'll try anything twice. So we went with 3 calico princesses, 3 of the black sex links, and we went with 3 of the Wyandottes. I don't know how to say that. I may have to correct myself, but anyway, so we have 3 of those, or 3 of each of those, and hopefully they actually end up all being hens this time. As you all know, if you've been following us, that last time we did definitely get a rooster. I really wanted an olive egger, but we'll get those eventually down the road maybe. We'll just keep our chicken math happening and eventually one will show up around here, I'm sure of it. So in the meantime, we're excited to have these 9 chirping in our home. They were gonna originally be outside, but they are currently in our house. So another thing that happened with our last round of chicks is something called Pasty Butt, which we had not heard of until after we had already lost a chick with that last round that we got. So with this round, when we got these chicks home, we pretty much immediately noticed that one of the ones that we purchased was struggling with Pasty Butt. Thankfully we caught it in time and I was able to help the chick out. Basically I just dunked its little butt in warm water. I had some Q-tips and oil and was able to get the poop away. So all this to say, it's been quite the whirlwind of a week between death and life, and we know that that is part of the life that we are choosing here. We know that there's going to be really tough decisions to make. No decision is made lightly around here. It's not always easy going through those decisions, and it's not always easy explaining them to the kids and having to process it for our own selves as well. But at the same time, it is something that we signed up for, and it makes the moments of accepting new life into our home even more exciting. Okay, a quick chick update. 2 of our chicks unfortunately didn't make it. One of them was the black sex links and one was the Wyandottes. One was a Wyandotte. So when we went to return them, we saw that there was some green eggers available, and so we ended up going back with 4 Starlight green egger chicks, and this is one of them. Oh, wrong side. They're super cute. And we're hoping that we got them like 6 days apart from the other ones, so we're hoping they just integrate well, and we're trying to keep the temperature and everything balanced. needs to be agreeable for both sets. So, at any rate, that is where we're at with the chick situation. They're super loud too. They cheep, cheep, cheep. We've also moved them into the brooder box that Kirk made for them, or for chicks, which is on our porch right now. We have it on our porch now so we can move it in on the cold nights, but as of right now they seem to be doing fine. We do use the heat lamp. They're all in there and they're happy though. Thank you all so much, and we look forward to seeing you around next time. Don't forget, this farm is a mess. Nope. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you around on the next one.